Hello everyone, I am Punamura and I welcome to each one of you to the Question of the Day series where you get one competency-based question daily covering macroeconomics, Indian economic development, microeconomics and statistics. Today's question is based on assertion reasoning statements where you need to identify whether the two statements are true or not and whether the reasoning provided is correct reasoning or not. The marks allotted to this question is 1. So get ready to test your analytical skills. Let's get started. Two statements are provided here labeled as assertion and reasoning. Assertion is that demonetization in India led to a temporary liquidity crunch in the economy. Reasoning is demonetization aimed to curb black money and counterfeit currency circulation. Think it over and point out the correct option out of the 4 options as given. Option A, both assertion and reasoning are true and reasoning is the correct explanation of A. B, both assertion and reasoning are true but reasoning is not the correct explanation of A. C, assertion is true but reasoning is false, and D, assertion is false but reasoning is true. Please check your answer. Here the correct answer is option B. That is, both assertion and reasoning are true, but reasoning is not the correct explanation of assertion. You need to understand why both are true and why reasoning is not the correct explanation of A. The assertion statement is true because demonetization in India led to the withdrawal of 500 and 1000 rupee notes, which accounted for a significant portion of the currency in circulation. This resulted in sudden shortage of cash, disrupting day-to-day transactions and causing a liquidity crunch in the short term. Justification can be provided as liquidity crunch occurred because of the replacement of old notes with the new currency, which could not keep pace with demand. This impacted small businesses, daily wage earners, and all those who were reliant on cash transactions. Reasoning statement is also true because one of the primary goals of demonetization was to target black money holders, reduce corruption, and eliminate counterfeit currency used for illegal activities. RBI and Government of India explicitly stated that these objectives when implementing demonetization. However, achieving these goals proved to be complex with mixed outcomes reported in subsequent analysis. So this statement provides the justification of the goal of demonetization. Now, assertion as well as reasoning statements are true as independent statements, but the reason provided is not the correct explanation for the assertion. Because the stated goal of demonetization was to tackle black money and counterfeit currency, the liquidity crunch arose from the sudden withdrawal of high denomination notes without an adequate mechanism of the replacement. So the two are related but not casually linked in the connection of assertion. I hope you have understood about the way assertion and reasoning statements need to be tackled. You need to provide justification for whatever option is the correct answer to the statements given. And it is always better to write down the justification as that shows clarity in your mind. So keep practicing such questions, stay curious, and join me tomorrow for another exciting question in the series. Till then, stay motivated and keep learning. See you in the next session. Thank you.